Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a little motor mover problem that we had and how we can fix it and how quick were Powrtouch to respond to my problem. So let's take a look at what the problem was in the first place. Okay, so as I've just explained, we had an issue with the motor mover. Now if you look now, you can see that it moves like so, which it shouldn't. And the bar that is located here, which allows it to glide across and access the wheel here, is missing for some reason. Now, we're not sure how or why that happened, but we did contact Powrtouch, who were very quick to respond, and they sent a replacement part. So what I'm going to do today is show you how to fix this section here, very simply and quite cheaply. Now, we got the part for free because this has a 5-year warranty, but if you look on their website, for the slide bar pin, it is actually £7.50 plus P&P. So what we need to do, first of all, is remove the cover. Now, if you have this design of cover, you'll need to undo it with a screwdriver because there is a Phillips screw here. Once we've done that, we can remove the cover, like so. And we now have access to the actual system itself. Now what you need to do is make sure that this is aligned carefully, because the pin itself has to go in from the rear. So we're just going to do that. As you can see now, we've fitted the pin, and then we need to take a washer, fit that over the top. And then the difficult part is fitting this E-clip that's in my hand there. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a set of bent needle nose pliers and see if that'll work, and a set of ordinary pliers if that doesn't work. Now you can buy an E-clip tool, but the 58 quid, and for one job I didn't see the point in it. So we've located the pin. So I've got the clip ready now. What I need to do is push it onto the actual. Now this is very fiddly. Okay, so we're going to push that on now. There we go. Now that's pushed on nicely onto the actual clip section. Now you'll notice that there's a little bit of movement in that as I move it with my fingers, and that's to allow this to slide properly. So that is now repaired. So while I was waiting for the replacement slide bar, I come up with my own little way of temporary fixing it. I suppose you could use it as a permanent fix if you chose to. And basically what it is a piece of threaded M10 bar, which I cut down to 9.5 centimetres, 2 lock nuts and 2 washers. Now when you fit this, don't over tighten them, because that bar needs to slide inside the fitment, so don't tighten it up so that it won't move, otherwise you'll never get your motor mover to work. Just enough so that the lock nuts will attach to the thread and won't come undone, and it will work just as well. So there we have our motor mover back in full working order. Now I will say at this point that Powrtouch were very good. They were quick to respond to the problem. They addressed what part we needed very quickly, and within 3 days it arrived. They also did offer to fit it, but I declined that offer because I wanted to show you the issue that we'd had, and also how quick they responded, and thirdly, how simple it is to do it yourself, especially if your motor mover is out of warranty now. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you join us again soon. Please hit the bell button to keep up to date with all our latest videos, and also don't forget to subscribe, it does help the channel, and a big thumbs up would be great. In the meantime, bye for now.